Ia ka Lehñiam Durga Puja Jowai in Pynkut Lashai ka sngi ka arpusau tarik da Kaba Leit ban Pynngam ya ka Blei Durga haki bynta ka Wah Myntdu Syntu Ksiar Haba Leit sakhi ya ka Lehñiam ki part riewngeit Hindu mynta ka sngi nyngkong Shiv Mandir Ïawmusiang Jowai kala long ka ïaid beit ryntih hapoh ka jingpynïaid ka Jowai Durga Puja Committee. Haka ni ka sngi haka por khatway tam mynstep la don ru ka Blang haduh khandai tylli da ka pynsngew haka ni ka Lehñiam Durga kino ki riewngeit Hindu kila banwan pom ya ki Blang haka ni ka jaka mandir hashwa ka ni ka Blang kala don ka jingpynïaid ya upathau so khia so apple ka kaj bat ka haduh ya ka Blang shu haka ni ka Lehñiam Durga Puja kala don ka jingsha thangan haki yeng kisem jong ki riewngeit Hindu Nakaliang US Chakraborty, President Jowai Durga Puja Committee, ulaong kani ka Lehñiam kalasdang nadu ka arpo tarik urisau, but in Pynkut Lashai ka sngi ka arpusau tarik urisau. Ulaong ka jingpynïaid ya kani ka Lehñiam, kanwanra ya ka bhaka miat, ka jing yalong ka way, but ka jingkmen hakari jong ka perthaihi baro ka way. Ya kani ka jo ka Lehñiam Durga Puja, ha West Jante Hills lale kumju hanartiang, ka badai ka Lehñiam Durga Puja kipnar, but kumju hadauki.
Nemi ka pori khatwi tam khatwi khasan ni da kom ni kam ter kom I hakater kom ta ai dem ni te chwa a tu do le wan pon di dai ni do knya do le ni mu do hom kampung hom sang kelap kam tu ko kai mun da dep ka te sedang a
mesti bandau
sanjai ai wi sanjai to do Blang nyngkong ai tu jobi wara iskia boleh ai
Oi, mem ko.
ledang bosan ai santli itu tu Blang
Halo.
Iu santli ki burun tera itu
Ông siapa em ko? Kam geni rau em mesti rau le kucing.
kan ini kan sini
Aga sgi khandi manangi nuami na sgi
mami ini ke sini mami ale
Kau ni time
Mynstep teman isu ambai kamang dalai nok belai
Dia tengah.
biak tengah Lehñiam milas Mynstep pukul dia kamang ini khandi sgi de chong belai ni dah hagat Mynstep house ni teli nok belai
all the viewers and all the people of our country a very happy Durga Puja, blessed Durga Puja. This Puja festival in the year 2023 started on the 20th of October. That was the first day when we started the festival, and it is going to continue till tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the last day of the festival. Today is the Navami festival. That is the main day of the festival where we worship the goddess. And my sincere prayers are that not only our country, not only our state, but the entire world lives in peace, so that the Lord, Ma Durga, may bless us all with peace, prosperity, and brotherhood amongst us. This puja this year, it signifies that we are all together, we are bonded together, and we all pray together to bring peace and prosperity in this world. Because at present in this entire world there are wars going on all around. So from us, the devotees of Ma Durga, we humbly pray to Ma that there may be peace in this world, and we also request each and every member of our society, not only the Hindi community, all other communities together, we live together, we pray together, and we maintain brotherhood and peace in this world. Secondly, the important thing is the devotees this year are large in number, because as we know, in the past 2 years back there was the pandemic, so people were restricted to their homes. But this year they are coming in large numbers, and we, as the Puja Committee of Jowai, we are trying our best to give our put all our efforts to maintain the crowd, to distribute equally prasad among all the devotees, and to keep everyone happy. That is our endeavor that we are making during this puja. And as you can see from our committee, we have kindly from your end do this needful. We are wishing everyone a very happy Durga Puja and prosperous Durga Puja. And last but not least, I'd like to thank the media for covering this and coming up to us, taking the updates of how the puja is going on. Thank you very much.